Hello and welcome to the Feature Rundown series with Team Just Call. I am Preeti, Content Strategist with Just Call Team, and today we are here to talk about SMS automation. We have with us Aditya, who has been leading the SMS team at Just Call. Welcome, Aditya, to our today's session.
Yeah, glad to be here.
Let's have a quick view of today's session. Today we'll be discussing about SMS automation, the basics, and then Aditya will tell us the steps how to create an SMS automation with Just Call, followed by the analytics and reporting. And then we'll have a quick grab of the industry-based use cases and various implications. A very common question to begin with. Put some light on the feature SMS automation.
SMS automation allows you to send text messages automatically when a certain condition is met or based upon the certain triggers. These actions are generally performed without any manual intervention or any other manual work. You can target individuals or group of person using the SMS automation. And recently, it has become more popular as it allows you to save time by pre-scheduling your text message to be sent out in the near future. And by that way, you can just spend your time only once while setting up the SMS automation, and then it will handle all your manual operations going forward.
That's great. Why would we use SMS automation? Like, why should teams invest in it?
There are many advantages of SMS automation over the conventional medium of communication. For example, a normal text or email as a communication. SMS automation helps you to never miss any follow-up or updating the end user about any offers or discounts. One of the most important aspect of SMS automation is saving time. By SMS automation, you need to invest your time only once while creating it, and rest it will handle all your manual tasks.
I think these insights will be really helpful for the viewers.
Okay, so we have seen businesses using both email and SMS as a communication channel. There is more advantage over email, as according to a survey you can see in your screen right now, that 95% of the SMS are read within the 3 minute as compared to the email, and it took 90 seconds for a person to respond as compared to 90 minutes by replying via an email. Adding this, one can channelize their communication using SMS as a medium for better reach and open rates.
Now that we've got a brief idea of the SMS automation, I really would like to know which important tasks can be automated.
There are many operations which can be automated using the SMS automation. Welcome text is the most important thing on the list. Alongside with that, one can set up the auto reminders that should send out to remind any document submission or any other appointment bookings. Then yes, subscription reminder. The most important and interesting thing we can automate is feedback SMS. You may notice that you get an SMS to rate your conversation right away after you hang up any support call. These are called the feedback SMS, and one can automate this using the SMS automation. Another operation in the list are transactional and confirmation SMS.
Great. We can see here like a variety of texts and SMS operations like the welcome texts, and then starting from the welcome texts and right to the feedback texts to get the reviews, customer reviews. So SMS automation is really, really helpful. Aditya, which industries should be focusing on automating their SMS operations?
At JustCall, we have seen many use cases when it comes to the SMS automation. For e-commerce, we have seen businesses set up their cart abandoned workflow so the end user never miss any update. For healthcare industries, we have seen appointment and reminder based use cases. For real estate, one can use it to send location based offers. For edutech, it can be used as to send out the reminder to keep the end user informed. For travels, one can use it to automate check-in process or to send best deals. For banking, SMS automation can be used to send automated transactional SMS.
Wow, SMS automation finds use in almost every organization or every business, be it big or small. Uh, Take us through like what steps are there, like how easily can we create an SMS automation?
Creating an SMS automation is pretty easy. It is only one time process and then your automation can take care of the rest of the task. As of now, JustCall integrates with many CRM support or automation solutions where you can use JustCall to automate your text communication. For example, you can use Just Call in HubSpot workflows. It can power your Infusionsoft automation setup. It can be used within the active campaign, or you can use it with Zoho and many more in the list. In this example, I will be setting up an SMS automation within HubSpot. So for this example, our use case would be we will set up an SMS automation to send out an automated text whenever a deal state get changed or updated. In order to set up that, you will first need to decide and implement your trigger. Trigger are those certain points which push your automation to run when any condition or any other criteria met. For this example, I will set trigger as deal state change. Then you need to set up any precondition. Please note this step will depending totally upon your use cases. That is, you can set up a delay of 10 minutes or assign any other contact to it. For this example, I will use the delay of 10 minutes. Last and the final step is to include Just Call in your workflow to send out the automated text messages. After successfully integrating HubSpot with your Just Call account, you will find the Just Call as integration app right here. Then I can just pull off the contact number from the custom tokens, like the phone number, and I can just use the custom token to dynamically create my content of the text message. Like I can use the customer's first name. Here is your discount code. Then I can select the from number, the phone number from which the text message should be sent out. Let's say for this example, I'm selecting the mainline number. And yes, that's it. When I hit the save button and when I review and turn on the workflow, then it will trigger the SMS whenever a certain condition or criteria met. Like in this example, whenever a deal stage is changed to qualified to buy, then after a 10-minute delay, automated text message should be sent out to the customer.
We saw how easy it is to create an SMS automation. It just needs 4 steps. First, you have to choose a trigger. And then you have to create an SMS template. You can use merge fields and dynamic information to help you personalize the text message. Next, select the actions, whatever you want your automation to perform. You can also define post actions so that when the automation has met the action criteria, certain actions can be possible. You can either add a tag to specific contact, you can add contacts to different pipelines, or you can also create triggers for another automation. So it's just like the end of an action gives rise to another automation. Aditya, let's move on to the next segment. Now that we have created the SMS automation, how do we understand the performance?
To track if your automation is working good or to confirm that it is performing well, you can check the delivery rates from our dashboard. In this section, you will see the response rate along with some useful information like unique conversation, response received, and average SMS per contact. You can also view a heat map at a glance, that is the busiest hour for your automation. This is very important factor to analyze the efficiency of your SMS automation. That is, at what hour of the day the SMS is sent out or received at the most. This way, you can allocate more resources in your SMS automation depending on your needs.
The heat map's really interesting. It really gives you an idea of how you can increase the productivity. So let's move on to the various industries. Give us a quick grab of the implications or rather the use cases of SMS automation.
There are various use cases when it comes to SMS automation. We have seen many businesses set up the drip SMS campaign to send out the deal and offer. E-commerce businesses use it to automate the task like abandoned cart offers to send out the usage-based offers. Real estate agent can use it to send location-based offers, and the product usage offer is one of the use case which fits in to every businesses. That is, based upon the users, you can set up a workflow to send out the best deals and offers to the end user. When you launch any product or any other announcement, That is something important. You can take help of the SMS automation to send out the text message as the notification to the end customers. Account verification is one of the biggest use case that can be used by almost every industry. You can set up a two-factor authentication using the SMS API we provide, or you can just achieve it via any automation process. And yes, the post-call surveys are also there. This is important when it comes to getting feedback of your service. By this, end user will receive an SMS to rate the call or rate the service. Okay, so let's talk about the drip SMS campaign. It is defined as the flow where you set up a break condition. That is, if a customer replies you, then you want to add them in the list of subscribed customers, and probably you can add them in the next set of automations. If the break condition is not achieved, then you can add a delay and repeat the step to send out the another text message again. I'm taking through the example of e-commerce industries. For this example, first you send your customer a discount coupon of, let's say, 10%. If they reply, then good. Push them into another pipeline and then wait for 2 or 3 days. Then send another text message, let's say offering them a discount of 20%. If they reply, then push into the another pipeline, wait for the delay, then send them a discount coupon of 30%. In this, you can segment your customers and cut down your manual task by many folds. After this, let's talk about some industry-based use cases. For e-commerce businesses, they can take advantage of SMS automation in many ways. Either it can be retention or custom offers or usage-based offers or workflows like delivery notification, last-minute deals, and most important factor is to take advantage in their SMS automation to set up their abandoned cart offers. One can set up the automation to use JustCall alongside with Shopify to automate all their manual tasks. For real estate businesses, it can be used to automate various things, like to send out an SMS based on the location of their client. They can use it as an appointment reminder. We have seen at JustCall that real estate businesses are extensively using SMS automation to send out deals and offers to the end customers also. Yes, rental companies are often relies very much on the SMS automation. They need to set up their workflow on timely basis, like item submission reminder, offer if any user want to extend the period of rent, important notification like item is not available to rent or any other upgrade reminder. Along with that, SMS automation plays an important role in their customer retention as they can set up usage-based deals and offer on the next rentals, etc.
SMS automation finds its implications in almost every industry that we saw just now. A few reasons why you or your organization should invest in SMS automation or go for this feature is it helps you to send out quick information updates, whether it's any deal or any offer. The customers are rightly updated using the automation. Collects timely feedback. Yes, I received my parcel and I'm very happy with the purchase. An SMS pops up in my phone and I put down the positive review. The timely SMS automation helped the organization or the business to grab the best of reviews. Open rates, as we have seen, it has a very high open rate of almost 85%. And overall, the SMS automation boosts retention. When you have your customers happy and you increase their satisfaction, you overall retain them in the long run.
Thank you, Aditya, for being with us today, explaining a very important feature on SMS automation. I hope the viewers will love it. For the viewers, if you want to know more about the SMS automation, click on the link in the description box and schedule a free demo today. Thank you.